Top 5 Best Food Sensitivity Test Kit. Number 5. Comprehensive Food Sensitivity Test Kit. The Comprehensive Food Sensitivity Test Kit is a game changer for anyone struggling with unexplained health issues like eczema or gut problems. Whether you're dealing with a child's sensitive skin or simply trying to figure out which foods wreak havoc on your digestive system, this kit offers an easy, no-fuss solution. Designed with simplicity in mind, the blood collection process is surprisingly painless. It took just a little longer than expected for some users, but with a helpful video and clear instructions, it was a breeze for everyone involved, even children. The kit ships quickly, and despite being ordered around holidays, it arrived promptly. Plus, the customer service team is responsive and kind, ready to answer any questions along the way. Results arrive quickly, and the kit's easy-to-understand format makes it simple to see which foods might be causing issues. It even goes a step further, breaking down proteins like eggs into whites and yolks, or milk into its separate proteins. After a few weeks of adjusting the diet based on the results, many users feel noticeably better, solving long-standing mysteries about food intolerances. For those looking for clarity in their health journey, this test kit delivers. Coming in number 4. 5 Strands Intolerances and Nutritional Imbalance Test. The 5 Strands Intolerances and Nutritional Imbalance Test is a life-changing tool for those seeking answers to unexplained health issues like acid reflux, digestive problems, or food sensitivities. This test offers a painless and easy alternative to traditional methods, as it requires only a hair sample, no needles involved, which is a huge plus for anyone with a fear of pricks. Results come quickly, often within a week, and are easy to understand, helping users identify specific intolerances they might have missed, like certain fruits or rice products. Many users have found the results to be spot on, confirming suspicions about foods that were causing digestive distress or allergic reactions. One user discovered that their gluten-free substitutions were actually the culprits behind their discomfort, while another uncovered high arsenic levels in their diet from rice products. The test also provides valuable insight into potential nutritional imbalances, which can guide users towards a healthier diet. The service is backed by stellar customer support, and with fast results, it empowers users to make informed decisions about their health. Whether you've been dealing with chronic issues or just want to explore possible food sensitivities, the 5 Strands test makes it easier to take control of your well-being, all without any pain or hassle. Coming in number 3. UCARI Sensitivity Test for Humans. The UCARI Sensitivity Test for Humans is a straightforward, effective way to uncover food intolerances and sensitivities, offering insights that can make a significant difference in one's health. With a simple hair sample, a small area cut off for kids, or a comb for adults, this test eliminates the need for complicated blood work or needles, making it ideal for those with needle phobia or those looking for a hassle-free process. Users rave about the quick results, often arriving within 10 days. For one family, eliminating key triggers like yeast, yellow 6, and sorbitol led to dramatic improvements in their child's stomach issues. For adults, the test not only identifies food sensitivities, but also provides valuable insights into other areas, like vitamin deficiencies. One user discovered a niacin deficiency, which was contributing to digestive and skin issues. The test is easy to use, with a simple online registration process and clear, accessible results. While the results can be eye-opening, revealing unexpected sensitivities, like a whey intolerance instead of lactose, they offer a useful blueprint for dietary changes. Some users found a few quirks in the test's interpretation of certain food derivatives, but overall, it provides valuable guidance for those seeking to understand and manage their sensitivities. Coming in number 2, Everlywell Food Sensitivity Comprehensive Test. The Everlywell Food Sensitivity Comprehensive Test has proven to be a lifesaver for many dealing with chronic digestive and health issues. For those struggling with conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis, EOE, this test offers a simple and affordable way to pinpoint the exact foods that might be causing the problem, saving time and thousands of dollars in medical bills. Despite some initial skepticism, users have found that eliminating certain foods based on test results has led to dramatic improvements in their health, often within days. The process itself is straightforward, though the blood collection might require a little patience, especially if you're not used to pricking your finger. Once the sample is sent off, results typically arrive in about a week, and they provide clear insights into which foods cause mild to moderate reactions. One user, for example, was finally able to identify triggers like pistachios, cereal, and eggs, leading to a significant reduction in their EOE symptoms. For others, like a couple dealing with unexplained stomach pains, the test revealed hidden sensitivities, such as a milk allergy that had been mistaken for lactose intolerance. With this newfound knowledge, many have found relief by simply cutting out the offending foods. Whether you're dealing with long-standing digestive issues or just curious about potential food sensitivities, this test could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Coming in number 1, AFIL Food and Drink Sensitivity Testing Kit. The AFIL Food and Drinks Sensitivity Testing Kit provides valuable insights for anyone dealing with unexplained health issues, from bloating and stomach aches to more severe symptoms like burning ears and shortness of breath. For many users, the results were eye-opening, uncovering sensitivities to foods that were previously thought to be harmless, such as spinach, avocado, or even cinnamon. By avoiding these foods, many reported noticeable improvements in their symptoms, including relief from acid reflux and nasal congestion. The testing process is simple. Just cut a small amount of hair, mail it off, and wait for the results, which typically arrive within a few days. The comprehensive results highlight foods causing mild to high reactions and even indicate deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, which can help guide dietary changes. One user, for example, discovered a sensitivity to dairy protein and cinnamon, which led to a significant reduction in reflux symptoms. The kit also provides useful information about stress and its role in exacerbating sensitivities, offering a broader view of health beyond just food intolerances. The detailed results and easy-to-understand format make this test a great choice for those looking to uncover the root causes of their symptoms without the hassle and cost of traditional medical tests.